Shiyan, Hubei, once known as China's automobile city, now overwhelmed by rising waters and a flood crisis of historic scale. In recent days, torrential rain has battered the region, triggering flash floods that have paralyzed daily life, drowned vital infrastructure, and put tens of thousands at risk. Streets that once carried workers to automotive plants are now rivers of brown, churning chaos. Factories have shuttered, roads have disappeared, and families have been forced to flee with nothing but the clothes on their backs. This is no ordinary flood. Shiyan, a key manufacturing hub for Dongfeng Motor Corporation, stands at the crossroads of industry and emergency. Assembly lines that once roared with production have gone silent. Parking lots filled with new vehicles now resemble lakes. For a city built around precision and logistics, the damage is devastating. Locals describe scenes of panic and heartbreak, water pouring into ground floor homes, vehicles swept down streets like paper toys, emergency alerts blaring as neighborhoods go dark one by one. Entire communities have been left without power, clean water, reliable shelter. Within hours, Shiyan's drainage systems were overwhelmed. Rivers spilled their banks, landslides cut off access to mountain towns surrounding the city. Rescue workers have been stretched thin, moving door to door in inflatable boats, trying to reach those trapped by the flood. Footage shows residents forming human chains to navigate waist-deep currents, carrying children, the elderly, and the few belongings they could salvage. Emergency shelters are full, supplies are running low, and the forecast warns of more rain in the days ahead. Shiyan is no stranger to adversity, but this is different. The floods are not just attacking homes and streets, they're disrupting the city's very identity. This is a city that helped build China's modern transportation industry, but now the symbol of progress is caught in a moment of paralyzing uncertainty. Footage shows residents forming human chains to navigate waist-deep currents carrying children, the elderly, and the few belongings they could salvage. Emergency shelters are full, supplies are running low, and the forecast warns of more rain in the days ahead. Locals describe scenes of panic and heartbreak. Water pouring into ground floor homes, vehicles swept down streets like paper toys. Emergency alerts blaring as neighborhoods go dark. Tonight, the people of Shiyan wait for the rain to stop, for the waters to recede, and for their city to begin again. And as China watches, one truth becomes clear. Even the strongest engines can stall in the face of nature's fury.